Welcome to the coldest, windiest, driest continent on Earth, Antarctica. A land of extremes. A land that defies human settlement. A place where ice dominates the landscape, and time seems to stand still. But there's much more to Antarctica than just snow and silence. In this video, we'll uncover its ancient secrets, its ever-changing climate, and the role it plays in shaping our planet's future. Antarctica covers an area of about 14 million square kilometers, larger than Europe or Australia. Nearly all of it is blanketed by a massive ice sheet that stores over 60% of the world's fresh water. In some places, this ice is more than 4 kilometers thick. Beneath the surface lies a varied landscape of ancient mountains, lakes, and valleys untouched for millions of years. If all of Antarctica's ice were to melt, sea levels could rise by over 60 meters. Its coastline is jagged and harsh, dotted with towering cliffs of ice that carve into the sea. Inland, you'll find vast plateaus, frozen deserts, and some of the most isolated regions on Earth. Antarctica holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded, -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or -89.2 degrees Celsius. But it's not just cold. It's dry. Technically a desert, Antarctica receives less precipitation than the Sahara. Most of it falls as snow and never melts, adding to the ever-growing ice sheet. And then there's the wind. Katabatic winds, gravity-driven gusts, can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. These winds sweep across the continent, shaping the landscape and chilling the air to dangerous extremes. The continent experiences 6 months of daylight followed by 6 months of darkness, making time itself feel alien to those who venture here. The frozen edges of this continent are shifting. Ice shelves once thought stable are breaking apart. Glaciers are retreating. Ice is thinning. Warming oceans are reaching below the ice sheets, loosening their hold on the bedrock below. If large portions of Antarctic ice melt, the consequences would be global: rising sea levels, changing ocean currents, disrupted weather systems. What happens in Antarctica does not stay in Antarctica. Antarctica is a time capsule. Its ancient ice contains secrets, layer upon layer of compacted snow, each year preserved like a page in Earth's diary. Scientists drill deep into the ice sheet, extracting cores that stretch back over 800,000 years. Inside them, trapped air bubbles, frozen in time. From these, we learn what Earth's atmosphere was like long before the first cities, the first tools, the first people. Antarctica teaches us about ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the natural rhythms of climate. But it also shows us something else, that those rhythms are changing. Fast. Antarctica may seem like the edge of the world, distant, desolate, and disconnected. But in truth, it's deeply connected to all of us. Its frozen silence holds the past. Its shifting ice warns of the future. And its existence challenges us to think globally, to act responsibly. Because Antarctica isn't just a place. It's a reminder that even the coldest corners of Earth are worth protecting. Subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet.